Hi, I'm Miss Karla from Glatfelter Memorial Library. That's a York County library, and today we have a very special craft. We're going to make a confetti cannon out of just tape, a cup, and a balloon, and confetti, of course. Step 1. Tie a knot in your balloon. Step 2. Cut the top off of your balloon. Remember to have an adult help with scissors. Step 3. Cut the bottom off your cup. Step 4. Stretch the balloon around the bottom of the cup. Step 5. Tape the balloon to the cup. Step 6. Load the cup with confetti, or for a less messy option, try craft palms. Remember, don't point your confetti popper at anybody's face. For more fun activities to do at home, visit www.yorklibraries.org. Thank you for watching.